Hi, I'm Mark Michelson, Editor-in-Chief of Printing Impressions, and welcome to this special edition of Impressions Exchange. It's my honor to have with me today Jennifer Heathcote, who's VP of Business Development of GEW Inc., and Greg Heimbuch, who's Sales Director at GMHUV. Welcome, folks.
Thank you.
Good morning.
So, Jennifer, there was recently announced partnership between GEWUV and GMHUV. Maybe you can just outline, what that partnership is.
Absolutely. So since 1991, GEW has strategically focused on supplying UV curing systems to the narrow web flexo market. While we sold those same products into other market segments, commercial printing was never really an area where we ever engaged. That started to change around 2015 when GEW launched our UV LED product line. It quickly became clear to us that our technology and our manufacturing structure were an ideal fit for offset printing. The challenge was that the commercial print market segment didn't know GEW. We just didn't have those relationships. So partnering with Greg and GMHUV gives GEW a much larger known sales presence in the commercial print market segment. It allows GMH to leverage its existing and long-term relationships with commercial printers and OEMs and focus on the front-end selling of GEW's products. That is then backed up by GEW's engineering, manufacturing, installation, and technical support teams. We feel that the arrangement between GMH and GEW leverages the strengths of both organizations, and we're incredibly excited about this new partnership.
So, Greg, how do you think this new business alliance will help your customers in the marketplace?
Well, it really allows us to focus on the customer, which we're singularly focused on curing technologies, UV and LED. It allows us to focus on the customer and their needs and desires to solve issues that they're having on their press, whether it's running a unique substrate, whether it's environmental restrictions, whether it's marking, whether it's spray powder, all these other issues that they're dealing with on a daily basis. It really allows us to focus on them singularly, resolve those issues, and everybody wins.
So, Jennifer, GEW is going to be an exhibitor at the upcoming Printing United Expo in Las Vegas this October. What products will visitors that come to the show, what will they be able to see on your stand?
Sure. So we have a wide range of ARC and LED UV curing lamp heads that will be on our stand. Our ARC lamps are available in lengths, continuous lengths up to 98 inches. And our LED systems are available in continuous lengths up to 67 inches. We'll have a wide range of these lamp heads on our stand for attendees to touch, inspect, and evaluate. So they'll be able to see firsthand the robustness of our products and the quality of our engineering and manufacturing.
How do these products kind of solve the issues that printers are seeing every day, when they're trying to get jobs out the door?
Well, I mean, it comes down to simply, delivering a printed sheet off the end of the press that's cured. You don't have to worry about it being dry off the end of the press, front and back. It allows you to handle it through your bindery. It allows you to ship it through the door. It allows you to send it through a laser imaging device to do personalization. So there's so many things you can do with the sheet immediately, and you don't have to let it sit around on the floor. It's just kind of the new way of doing things, the new norm in the printing industry.
Jennifer, anything you want to kind of add to that?
UV curing offers significant energy savings and footprint savings over conventional drying systems. UV curing delivers aesthetically pleasing graphics and glossy varnishes. With respect to offset, as Greg mentioned, it eliminates all those spray powders. It allows, as he said, to run a much wider range of products on press, and it generates less waste, less scrap, less rejects, which is incredibly valuable to the printer's bottom line.
Greg, just a closing question for you. Where can GEW and GMHUV, where can you be found at Printing United Expo? It's going to be a big show, and why do you think it's worth a visit for attendees to come by the booth?
I want to jump in real quick and kind of add on to what Jennifer said quickly. One of the interesting products that GEW has for the marketplace is called their Arc LED product. And what this product allows the printer to do is not really have to make that decision whether they want to go to UV or LED. We actually have a system when it's installed in the press that will handle both products. So it's something that really everybody should be interested in, and everybody should stop by the booth and see GEW at Print United. We'll be in booth N as in Nancy 743. It's going to be myself, Jennifer, and our colleague from the UK, Gary Doman. It's definitely worth your time to stop by and see us.
Well, great. It's going to be a really exciting show, and really look forward to stopping by your booth and see what you guys are showing.
Please do. Please do. We'll be there the entire time.
We appreciate the opportunity.
My pleasure. To all our viewers, thank you so much for watching Impressions Exchange. We'll see you next time.